At Flying High in Florida, we're redefining how contractors manage their construction projects. Our drones capture every angle of your build, providing the insights you need from the sky. Our aerial footage gives contractors a real-time, bird's-eye view of progress. From the foundation to the final finishing touches, our drones capture every detail. This helps you monitor timelines, document each stage, and ensure that milestones are being hit. Flying High in Florida's drones help you inspect hard-to-reach areas safely and efficiently. Our high-definition footage helps you spot potential issues, ensuring quality craftsmanship and compliance with safety standards without slowing down your team. Easily share progress with your team and stakeholders. Our drone footage allows for seamless reporting and communication, giving everyone involved a clear understanding of where the project stands. Once the homes are built, the value of our footage doesn't stop there. Use our stunning aerial shots to market future developments, highlight finished projects, or showcase the location's amenities to attract buyers and investors. At Flying High in Florida, we're elevating construction management, helping contractors build smarter, safer, and faster, one flight at a time.